What's up, guys? So, I don't know, short one. Large house, very large, a lot larger than we thought. She said it was large over the phone, but yeah, didn't quite get the gist of it as far as how much carpet is really in here. This is Saturday. We just took on one job for the week. It's been a really busy week, or for Saturday. It's been a really busy week, but real estate agent been using us and really needed this done. So she told me it was quite the large home, and it's pretty, it's pretty large, 3,500 square feet. And pet problems. All right, so there's pet problems everywhere. I brought out the lights, and it just illuminated. All right, they had cats. So she said, do what you need to do. So we went ahead and go ahead and quoted her. It was for 9 areas, okay, and 4 pet treatments. You know why? Because I like to give deals, right? Especially to loyal customers. I'm not going to charge her for a full pet treatment on every room. When you don't have heavy odor problems or anything like that, and obvious staining. But we are doing a pet treatment throughout the whole home. Okay, it's going to take me about, we'll see, it should take me about 4 gallons to spray everything. I'm waiting on her right now. She's vacuuming ahead of me. They did vacuum, but we always test it. All right, so we'll break a vacuum out, and especially you got cats, right, and see what it sounds like. And sure enough, kitty litter still in the carpet. So very important, super important. I'm not sure what this is, but I'm sure it's organic. I'll get some peroxide on there and see what happens. But easy clean, no? Generally easy clean, one large job, sell $175. Probably gonna take us 2 hours. All right, not bad for a Saturday, right? Top off the weekend, so. CRB in all these areas. There's some brown here. I'm not sure. I don't think it's organic. So I treat it with some rust removal. We'll see what that. So obviously that all needs agitation. I don't know if I showed you the back rooms. So turning back the lights on as we walk through here, because we had the lights off. See, quite the large walk-in closet here to detect the urine, So, the light detects urine. Maybe those spots are old. Maybe the illumination, because a lot of some of the times those illumination don't go nowhere, even though you treated it. All right, it changes the color of the fiber. Nothing you can do about that, but it's a crapshoot, right? So you can say, well, maybe they're old and not treat it, and all of a sudden you clean it and reactivate urine, right? And all of a sudden the customer calls you up and say, hey, it smells like urine. It didn't smell like that before, right? Because we weren't being professional and just covering all the bases, right? So of course, ask for the pet treatment. If they decline it, make sure you document it, right? That way you're not responsible if it does. Okay, and try to give deals and stuff like that, because if your chemistry is on point like mine and you're paying very, very little for these pet treatments, all right, giving deals is the way to go, to really seal the deal, make the customer happy and you happy at the same time. Happy medium. So another brown spot, and I see there was some pink there, so I went ahead and sprayed this. I'm gonna let that soak, see what happens. Hopefully that gets rid of it. Maybe if that doesn't, then maybe ink. And if not, then maybe I'll just break out the steamer and steam it out. All right, it's just one little spot. Over here, as you can tell, brown. Put rust remover on. I did treat it organically for organic stains, and it really didn't budge. And I already scrubbed it too. It didn't really budge, so now we have to go through the toolkit. So once we go through the whole toolkit, everything, and it's still there, it was permanent, nothing we can do about it, at least, and then we let the customer know, it's permanent, unfortunately. All right? So we didn't create the problem. We're just here to fix it if it's fixable. All right, I'm gonna get going. I'm gonna start pulling out hoses. Looking better already in that hall. All right, so that what I didn't know what it was, so I just put rust remover on there. And I doubt it was rust. As well as over there. Yeah, it looks like it's gone. Nice. Sometimes chemistry for certain stains like rust can work on other things, so it's just good to go through your tool bag before you say it's permanent. All right, beautiful. So all those dark stains came out, right? Definitely wasn't organic, so that rust remover was the key. Maybe it was rust, but I don't know. In the middle of the room, random spots throughout the hallway, didn't look like feet. I don't know. But anyways, whatever we did worked. Customers should be really, really, really happy. Estimate was for $775. Let me see what time it is. All right, well, it took us 2 hours and 5 minutes. Not bad for a Saturday. Now we're gonna go have a weekend. You guys go have a weekend too, all right? See you next one.